Hey, come on in. Let me show you what I made. It's Mighty Monday, and I wanted to show you the Kamishibai. It's done. So I'm working in the studio, and I'm going on the Kamishibai, right? So I had planned it all out and was starting to slice up the foam core when I realized I found some old contact paper that I had stashed away, and it looks like wood. So I'm going to be using that to kind of cover everything. It's working! Well, I have to figure out how to keep this thing standing, but there it is. So let me show you some of the features of my new Kamishibai now that it's ready to go. So it's all recycled material. And this is some ribbon. And then I'll show you the back of it as well. I'll put another one of those back here so I can hold up the proscenium. And there you have it. So this is made all out of recycled material. This was the box that my laptop came in. These are the little pouch cap lid squeezy apple saucy thingadoodles. That's what those are. I got some ribbon here keeping it closed. There we go. Let me prop it up back here and open it up. Ta-da! But wait. Oh, let me try that again. But wait, there's more. Now I can really say, ta-da! There it is! Our Kamishibai all set to go. This is the little from the stage. And we pull out the story like this. Read the back that goes on with the picture right there. And there you have it! It's all set! I'm so excited! And look, it matches the bike! I was super excited when I saw this duct tape at the store. So I bought a few rolls. Got a little carried away. I only needed about a third of the one roll for